Lily from Lily's Music, doing a quick tutorial on TMEA Region 29 String Orchestra Cello Audition Excerpt. We are starting with Appalachian Celebration, and remember, it is in the key of G major, F sharp, C natural. Always remember, A string is going to be second finger instead of third. So you're going to be going... Second finger, you do have accidentals at measure 85 where it's F natural instead of an F sharp. So just be careful of those and watch those syncopated rhythms. You have up, 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 second finger, up, up, F sharp, C natural, half note, and one, up, up, second finger, up, up, F natural, C natural, half note, and then hold, lift. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Good luck.